here is a Tangle tutorial for Sprinkle. So all I did was put a line at the bottom, any pen, any paper, any pencil, any blending tool. And then I go ahead and bring up a single muka, which is just a line with that end that's kind of similar to like the size of a cotton swab or a teardrop, I guess. And then from the inside of that, you aura it around the outside. And if you need to pick up your pen, do so and then put it back down. Don't try to do this all in one motion. And then you're going to aura the inside from that auraed outside. I start all of our tangles in our lives with gratitude, appreciation for the paper, the pen, our breath, whatever it is. And now we're going to go ahead and make this little hat. So I round kind of a fun little, I call it a little hat. And then you can layer that as many times as you want to and make it smaller, or you can make them very puffy, which is very cool too. Play with it and do whatever you feel is what you're meant to do. And then at the very top, it's a fun little, and don't be scared if you really want to swirl this or whatever you want to do with it. But this is Sprinkle. So now I'm going to make another sprinkle off of this, but I'm not going to actually add the hat to it. I'm just going to, and I call it a hat, top, whatever you want to call it. All I'm going to do is aura this. Remember, it starts from the inside, around, and then back. And I'm going to have it share this same kind of stem as the first one. But I'm not going to put a hat there. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and just make quite a few more of these and just keep going. So again, starting with the muka, and feel free to enjoy and have fun how these lines go, and then aura the outside, aura the inside, and then the hats. And I like to have them go in front of and behind each other. I like to have all different shapes and sizes. This is just a really fun tangle. It can be for any holiday, any time of year, just really fun. Now keep in mind the whole time that you're tangling to relax your shoulders, tongue off the roof of your mouth. Make sure that your pressure with the pen to the paper is light and how you're holding the pen is light. Just kind of focusing on those things. Are you holding your breath? Keep those things in mind as you tangle. Because for me, it's more about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. So what I ended up doing was charcoaling it with a whole bunch of different colored charcoals, which I think turned out pretty fun. I normally just do graphite, but this time I thought I'd change it up a little bit. So here it is. Enjoy the tutorial and have a wonderful, amazing day. See you when I'm live.